Thank you, Madam Speaker, and thank the Honourable Member for his question. We've been involved in the seasonal worker programs in Australia and New Zealand since 2015. And since that year, we've sent around 1,395 workers to both of these countries. And from that period, we've had, out of that 1,395, 131 of them have been female. So that's just slightly below 10% of the total number. The women workers that we are sending, most of them in Australia, a lot of them are working in the hotel and accommodation sector. They're working at a particular resort there. And in both countries, in other countries, they also work in the horticultural sector. Some of them are out in the farms, but most of them are in the packing houses, where they put the harvest together and they pack them and grade them and send them out for distribution to wherever their markets are. Thank you, Madam Speaker.